A chart in Forex trading represents price action over time. In this lesson, we how to show you how to read a Forex chart step by step so that you can become a self-sufficient trader. We will cover what is represented by the candlesticks on the chart, different chart time frames, support and resistance levels, trend lines, and of course why it's important to learn how to read a chart. What do the candlesticks on a chart represent? Candlesticks on a chart represent the opening, closing, highest and lowest price of an asset over a specific period of time. Each candle has a body and wicks. The body represents the price range between the opening and closing of the candle. The upper and lower wicks represent the highest and lowest price of the candle respectively. Depending on the time frame you choose, one candle may last for a minute, an hour, or a day. There are three main time frames used in Forex trading: 1 minute, 1 hour, and 1 day. A 1-minute chart shows price action over a minute time frame. It's perfect for scalping where traders try to make profits from small price movements. As the name suggests, a 1-hour chart shows price action over a 1-hour time frame. This is a popular chart for both day traders and swing traders. Day traders try to capitalize on intraday price movements, while swing traders focus on long-term price trends. A 1-day chart shows price action over a 24-hour period. It's ideal for long-term traders who want to capture large price movements. Why is it important to know which time frame a chart represents? Knowing which time frame a chart represents is crucial because it helps traders to identify short-term price movements as well as long-term trends. For example, if you are a day trader looking to capitalize on intraday price movements, you would most likely use a 1-hour time frame. However, if you are a long-term trader looking to capture long-term price trends, you would most likely use a 1-day time frame. What is support and resistance, and how do you identify it on a chart? Support and resistance are levels on a chart where price action tends to stop or reverse. Support is a level where price action bounces off and starts moving upwards. Resistance is a level where price action bounces off and starts moving downwards. To identify support and resistance levels, you need to look for areas on the chart where price action has had a hard time breaking through. These areas usually form a trend line, and you can use these trend lines to help you identify potential support and resistance levels. Is a trend line the same as support and resistance? No, a trend line is not the same as support and resistance. A trend line is a line that connects two or more swing highs or swing lows. It helps to identify the direction of a trend. On the other hand, support and resistance are levels where price action tends to stop or reverse. They are areas on the chart where price action has had a hard time breaking through. How do you identify a trend on a chart? You can identify a trend on a chart by looking for a series of higher highs and higher lows. This indicates an uptrend. If the price breaks above the previous high, it's a bullish sign. Similarly, you can identify a downtrend by looking for a series of lower lows and lower highs. If the price breaks below the previous low, it's a bearish sign. What is the difference between trend movement and sideways movement on a chart? Trend movement on a chart is represented by a series of higher highs and higher lows. This indicates an uptrend. Sideways movement on a chart is represented by a series of lower highs and lower lows. This indicates a downtrend. Why is it important to learn how to read a chart? Learning how to read a chart is important because it allows traders to make informed decisions based on price action over time. It helps traders to identify potential support and resistance levels, as well as areas of interest where price action may reverse. By understanding how to read a chart, traders can make more informed decisions when trading. In conclusion, learning how to read a chart is an essential skill for any trader. Whether you are a scalper, day trader, or long-term investor, being able to read a chart and interpret price action over time will help you to make more informed trading decisions. We hope you found this lesson on how to read a Forex chart helpful. If you're ready to start trading, open a demo account today and practice your trading skills with virtual money. Remember, practice makes perfect. So take the time to learn and understand the charts before risking real money. Good luck and happy trading!